Hello there, I'm Charnath. Welcome to our channel. Today we've come up with modern DIY metal frame chair, metal frame seat, metal frame sofa design ideas for small scale manufacturing. This video contains a collection of metal frame chairs, seats, sofa design ideas which you can easily copy and duplicate at your own workshop. Pick your favorite design and try to make at home or show it to your local workshop so that they can make one for you. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment. Modern DIY metal frame chair design ideas in 2021 for small-scale manufacturing is all about creative DIY metal frame chairs and metal frame seat ideas. If you are new to our channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Metal furniture is a type of furniture that uses metal parts in its construction. There are various types of metals that can be used for metal furniture. These include iron, carbon steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and so forth. Iron and steel products are extensively used in many applications, ranging from office furnishings to outdoor settings. Cast iron is used mainly in outdoor furnishings and settings, such as those used for bench legs and solid iron tables. It is suitable to outdoor use due to its hardness, heaviness, and general tough composition. The main disadvantage is that it being a relatively poor form of iron is subjected to corrosion at the hands of moisture and air. The second type of metal used in furniture industry is stainless steel. Stainless steel is used very extensively for most modern interior furnishings involving metal. Many hinges, slides, side supports, and body pieces are composed of stainless steel. It has a high tensile strength, allowing it to be applied using hollow tubes, reducing weight and increasing user accessibility. The third metal which is widely used in the furniture industry is aluminum. Aluminum is a light and corrosion-resistant metal, and take advantage of these qualities, it is heavily utilized for stamped and cast furniture, especially in the category of molded chairs. Aluminum atoms form the outer layer of aluminum oxide, which prevents the internal aluminum from being corroded. Metal furniture is a popular choice of furnishing, especially used outdoors for decks and patios. However, metal furniture can also be used indoors, such as brass beds, brass tables, iron basks, baker's racks, and metal curio cabinets. Besides being sturdy, metal furniture is attractive, giving a contemporary look to your home. To make it stand out, all it takes is a good polishing to give it added charm and character. When we look at the history of metal furniture, steel indoor and outdoor furniture has been popular since the 1920s. Around 1925, furniture designers and architects began working with tubular steel, having been impressed with the lightweight and the strength of the handlebars of a bicycle. The resulting furniture designs using this material are some of the most important for the period. But production of all outdoor furniture came to a sudden halt when the world entered into World War II. and factories began churning out products supporting the war effort. After the war ended, those same factories necessarily switched to making products for peacetime pursuits. Factories began producing metal-lawn furniture. With the war over and a new consumer society developed, and manufacture of outdoor steel furniture became widely popular. By the 1950s, in addition to tubular structure, furniture was produced using aluminum, wire mesh, and legs made of thin steel rods that give mid-century furniture its distinctive splayed leg or light on its feet look. The benefits of metal furniture include several points. Durability is the main advantage of metal furniture. For example, many types of non-metal furniture can remain outside during winter and still look good when spring arrives. If cared for properly, metal furniture can last up to 30 years. Because most metal furniture is treated for rust and heat resistant, it doesn't need much maintenance. The steel furniture is typically pricier when it is used as a furniture, with the price varying according to the type of metal and thickness. However, it is hard to identify it after a finish is applied. Steel has low, medium, or high carbon, with most metal furniture being made of low carbon steel because it is cheaper than a higher grade of carbon. Stainless steel is good for low maintenance. Made of an alloy of carbon, iron, and other metals, its main reason for its strength is because of chromium, which prevents us from rust and corrosion because of its thin film of oxide on the surface. Wrought iron is good for garden furniture, providing a classic look. However, it is heavy which is a challenge, but appreciated on windy days. It needs much care though, and can easily rust and corrode if not waterproofed. Aluminum is more common than steel furniture, mostly because it doesn't rust, although it oxidizes, turning it into chalky white. It is also lighter than steel, making it more desirable. Cast and heavy tube aluminum give better quality. Aluminum has to be thicker than steel if it has to have much strength. Tubular aluminum is flexible and hollow, besides less sturdy. However, its lightness makes it an ideal possible furniture and is mainly used for benches, folding chairs, and swinging sets in poolsides, under poolside conditions. There are different types of finishings you can apply to metal furniture, and choosing the right finishing for metal furniture is important because of its durability. Some of the most common finishing include chrome plating, plastic, painting, brass, and anodized finishes. Chrome plating, also durable, is thin and if damaged where it is exposed to air, scratches can rust. Plastic coated finishes are synthetically made and good as they prevent rusting or the metal changing color from air exposure. Although they are as strong as paint finishes, they do not hold up as well as electroplated finishes. Painted finishes are for both steel and aluminum furniture, although it easily scratches and rusts. Brass plating, which is an electroplated finish, is applied in a base and is durable. Solid brass is both pricey and rare. When selecting metal furniture, consider coats and finish, ensuring the surface is either powder coated or electroplated. Also consider your climate. For example, if you live in a rainy area, you will want furniture with heavy waterproofing and light enough to carry indoors. For hot climates, consider that aluminum retains heat, so you cannot use it until it cools down. There are also some misconceptions about metal furniture. Often people consider metal furniture with being uncomfortable, as images of metal conjure up cold, hard-backed chairs as well as cold, shiny surfaces. However, it's easy to add cushions and upholstery to make the furniture comfortable as well as attractive. Also, adding some simple curves also adds to comfort, as many types of metal manufacturers have done. As you can see, we have collected different metal furniture designs, metal chairs, metal seats and metal sofas for you to consider manufacturing. You can choose any of these designs, try to make some at your own workshop, or take it to your local workshop and ask them to make one for you. This is a pool, a very highly populated pool of designs you can use. Again, if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing. If you have already a subscribed member, please consider sharing, liking this video and sharing it, sending the links to your friends and family members so that they can enjoy this collection. Well, as you can see here, we have plenty of designs for poolside chairs, for lawn chairs, for indoor chairs, for light sofas, for swinging chairs, composed of metal frame and different seating structures, wooden structures, upholstered seats, rigid backs, cushion seats, cushion backs, from the basic seating structure to highly luxurious ones. So we have a wide range of products or design ideas for you. If you are a handyman, you can just simply turn it into a real product simply at home. Some of these designs have dimensions, so you don't have to tinker around. You can just copy the dimensions and start making your own piece. And the rest of them, even though they are without dimensions, they can clearly show you the basic details, and you can just make one for yourself. So our channel has lots of such design collections in different sectors, basically in furniture, in DIY products, and small scale manufacturing ideas, and small scale business ideas. And I encourage you to regularly visit our channel, to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so that you can be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. You can like and share our content so that it reaches more audience, and people like you can see it and can enjoy the content and can make their own pieces of furniture at home. I would like to thank you all for joining us, for staying with us throughout the length of the video. Some of the designs are very antique designs, some of them are very modern, recent designs, some of them require little pieces of equipment, while some of them require more complex equipment. So there is a possibility for manufacturers with all level of skill to choose from these designs, from beginners to experienced manufacturers. There are designs suitable for all range. Some of these seats designs are simply basic seating designs. Some of them are highly detailed masterpieces, which you can showcase at your own house, at your office, in your lawn, on your pool side, and so on. We've gathered these designs from different sources, and I'd like to take this opportunity to acknowledge those people who have made these pictures and designs available for us on the internet, and I really appreciate what they have done. As you can see, you have also several color options, cushion options, and sitting arrangement options. Okay, from single seat to multiple seat chairs and sofa designs are available for you. Some with foldable features, and some with stretching features, some with swivel features, some even with swinging actions, and so on. If you are really interested in this kind of design ideas, as I have told you previously, you can join our channel. You can become a family of this group by subscribing to our channel and by clicking on the notification bell, so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. And thank you again for being with us. As you know, it takes a lot of effort to make these videos, so I encourage you to share it so that it could reach a wider range of audience. By sharing, we can make this video very popular and make a wider range of people benefit from these designs. Once again, I would like to thank you all for being with us and for staying until the end of this video. We hope to see you in our next video, and thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed.